Are you able to see?
Yes, Sashi, I can see it.
Yeah, okay. Good morning, everyone. Thanks for joining to Impact Salesforce Saturday. And this is the series was given by Rohit, sir. And today's topic is dataimported.io tool in Salesforce by Rohit. And this is me, R. Kiran. I'm a 5X certified, Salesforce certified, and a software developer in Big Four company. And you can follow me on Twitter and LinkedIn. New Delhi Salesforce group, we started our meeting in February 2016. And you can follow on our Twitter handle and hashtag is Impact Salesforce Saturday. You can follow our New Delhi Salesforce community group where we can post our sessions, upcoming sessions and past sessions, and our recordings will also be added there. Impact Salesforce Saturday. It was one of the initiative was taken place by New Delhi Salesforce group. Initially, we call it as Virtual Salesforce Saturday, and later we changed its name to Impact Salesforce Saturday, and we follow the same rules. And in the website, you can find out the, as I told, like upcoming sessions and past sessions conducted by us. Talent Central is another initiative by taking place by New Delhi Salesforce Developer Group. And it is something like Monster and Indeed, where we can find Salesforce ecosystem jobs for students through the talentcentralglobal.com. These are some of the success stories from Salesforce Developer Group, which is Talent Central. And we call it as learn impact. Let's implement. And it was also easy for to get the job in Salesforce ecosystem. These are the Twitter handles and social media handles of New Delhi Salesforce Group. You can join through LinkedIn, Telegram, and Twitter. And we have also a YouTube channel where you can find the recordings of the sessions. And thanks for our sponsors, Bhadana and Grey Ops. Thank you very much. Over to you, Rohit, sir.
Okay, so thanks, Golly, and thanks all for attending this session and for giving your time. Okay.
This is Shashi, sir, not Goli. Praveen is
okay.
Today.
Okay, no problem. So again, good morning, everyone. And let's get started without any further delay. Okay. So today I'm going to show you in this session, like how to work on the data importer.io new tool. Okay, so it's a best tool regarding like previously you can see different types of tools under the Salesforce like import wizard or data loader. Okay, we have some limitation on that, but come to the this data importer, we have to do all the functionality. Let's say schedule the job, and we can create the schedule job based on your requirement, like after 2 days, 3 days, something like that. So again, let me share my screen and you can see these all things, right? So here, can you record the session, Sasi?
Yeah, we are recording.
Okay, great. So please tell me, can anyone see my screen or not?
Yeah, we are able to see your screen.
Okay. So before starting this session, this is the title of our agenda, that is called data importer.io tool in Salesforce. Okay, so let me introduce myself first of all. Okay, so here, my name is Rohit Kumar. I'm a Salesforce developer at Perficient. I'm a community speaker, and I have 4x Salesforce certified and 1x Copilot certified DevOps engineer. I'm a speaker, blogger, and all about the Salesforce. I'm a YouTuber, blogger, and you can follow me on the social media handles. Here you can see this is my YouTube channel, like Salesforcehunt, and this is my Facebook page, Salesforcehunt, and this is my website, salesforcehunt.online, right? And then here you can see my LinkedIn profile. I will share these all things in the session, so don't worry about that. So this is a short introduction from my side. So I have some housekeeping rule for you. So mute the mic, okay, first of all, and keep adding question in the chat window, and question will be answered in the last 10 minutes of this session, right? So this is the housekeeping rule, please follow that. Okay, because if anyone doing something like unwanted things, so it's disturbing and it's interrupting me, right? You know very well all the things. So let me click this next slide, and this is the agenda of this session. Let's say this is an introduction about the data importer.io. What is this, and what is the data importer.io, and comparison different tool with data importer. Let's say import wizard or data loader, right? And what is the pricing and free trial of this session. Okay, so here you can see all the agenda, let's say pricing and all the things. So let me open my video. Can you see? Yeah. Okay, great. Can you see? Fine.
Yeah, we
Yes,
can.
yes.
Okay, no problem. So here you can see different types of titles or agenda of this session. Let's say pricing and free trial, and establish the connection between the Salesforce and data importer, right? And we have lots of creating the job, like how to create the job and how to schedule the job. Okay, that kind of thing we have. And also perform the DML operation. Let's say how to perform the DML operation. Let's say insert, update, delete, and upsert, right? We have lots of functionality under in it. So we will see these all one by one, right? And we have like how to perform the testing, like all the job you have to perform this testing with the help of some data source that is called any CSV file or any GitHub account, or maybe like SFDX, also supported by this tool, right? So here like we have another point that is called testing and rollback. So rollback is the most important part. Like if you already insert lots of records and it doesn't have any limitation, first of all, right? So it's don't have any some limitation. Let's say we can insert like 50,000 records at a single time under the import wizard, right? We have some limitation. Above 50,000 we cannot insert, update, delete, and based on your need, so you can perform that operation. But we cannot perform delete operation under the import wizard, as you know very well, right? So but here let me admit this, guys. Okay, great. So here let's say we have lots of things like insert, update, delete, and upsert, but most of the features not available in import wizard in the traditional way. Okay, you know very well this import wizard under the Salesforce. And also we have another things, let's say data loader as well, because data loader also having some batch job, and this batch job having some batch size that is called 200 by default. So based on this need, so you can configure these things and you can take this benefit. Okay, so this is all agenda under this session, right? So here let me show you one by one, and let me highlight this one first of all. Okay, and this is the like introduction about dataimporter.io. Okay, this is the particular website and this is the particular tools of this if you want to perform this DML operation under in it. And this is a free tool, and it's having like 14 days trial version. After 14 days it's asking like some like license key, or maybe please subscribe this this subscription for this purpose, right? So this kind of message you will be see, but you can take this benefit up to 14 days, right? But it's a very good tool, and all the things you can see under this area. Okay, so here now you can see the introduction about dataimporter.io. So here this is some small like some menu, and this is the logo. We can see that about the data importer. And here in this data importer we have like lots of things like products, prices, and start importing and loading. I will show you how to log in and how to register under the dataimporter.io, right? So here you can see like this is the latest things under the Salesforce, and this is the we can say that this is the native things under the Salesforce, or based on these things we can do our operations, right? So here let's say what is dataloader.io. So dataimporter.io concept your data to connects your data into the Salesforce. Let's say you have scheduled some job, right? Let's say you have scheduled some jobs and automatically notified if you have any changes on that, or if you have some wrong things under your data. So it's the automatic send an email alert, and you can check out this job is failed, this is the reason to fail this job, and something like that. Okay, so based on your need, so you can check it out, this whole thing, right? So here let's say we have something here like automate your Salesforce data import without paying thousands for an outdated solution. So we have lots of solution like outdated solution, import wizard or data loader, comparison to these all native tool under the Salesforce. Okay, but here like we can say that this is the fast, secure, and simple. I will show you how to prove that this is a fast and secure and simple, each and every points here, right? So here, let's say is a fast and secure and simple because of its some internally APIs is going will be going on. I will show you which API it's using under the data importer.io, right? So let me click the next slide. First of all, I will finish this all slide. After that, we will see demo each and every functionality. Okay, so here you can see like comparison different tools and data importer.io. So here you can see like data importer and data loader.io. We have two tools under the Salesforce. So like free record limit, we have 20,000. Okay, under free developer account, you can see this 20,000 data importer, but data loader, you can see only 10,000. This is a one comparison and one difference between the data loader and data importer, right? So here, like enterprise pricing, so you can see like 249 per user and per month. You can see this is the dollar, and based on your need or company size, so you can choose these things. And also we have like data loader.io. So data loader.io, you can see this is the cost of this per user and per month. So you can comparison to each other, which is the best and which is the suitable for my business. So you can choose from here, right? And it's using like bulk API version 2. You know what is the bulk API? I will show you in data importer.io things. So it's using like bulk API version 2, but it's not using under the data loader. You cannot see any kind of APIs under it, right? API version, you can see like latest version right now we are using like 53. Okay, in Apex, if you want to create any Apex class, so you can see these all things, right? Like any API's name and how to change this API name and how to degrade or migrate based on your need. So you can change based on your need like that. Okay, so here in API version, in under the data loader, you can see like 37. Okay, we can manipulate or we can do like formula fields under the data importer as well, but you cannot manipulate these all things based on your formula. Let's say I want to count like some annual revenue under the account. Okay, so how to count that? So you can count with the help of some like sum or maybe like count function, like aggregate function. So based on that formula, you can put your formula in particular places. I will show you how to create the formula and all the things. So you can create that, right? So here, like Salesforce login. So this is the common for all. You can easily log in and all the things. Email plus password, because if you log in into the data loader, you know very well. So we have to need like username, password with security key, right? So first of all, we have to find out security key and all the things. So how to do that? So you can get these all things in the Salesforce as well, data importer, because data importer no need worry about these all things because it's internally logged in. And once you try to log in into the data importer, so data importer is asking like deny or allow. It's asking two options. So you can click on particular options and you can take this benefit, right? And here you can see like lookup relationship and duplication and rollback, retry. So you can comparison each and every functionality based on your need, like data importer or data loader, which is the best for my my business, like which is the suitable for my business. So based on your need, so you can take it. Okay, this is the one things under the comparison different tools under the Salesforce, or we can say that data importer.io, right? So here you can see some pricing, like flexibility of the pricing under this tool. So if you are using any like free developer account or free or we can say that free account under the Salesforce using data importer.io, so you can see only like $0, because no need worry about any credit card or any debit card details under in it, because it's a free. You have to need like login and registered based on your like a Salesforce production environment, or maybe like a sandbox URL or sandbox environment. Okay, so here let's say here you can select free $0, and based on your free account you can easily count like 20,000 records per month. You can update, delete, upsert or insert, like based on your addition. This is the free edition, that's why you can see only 20,000 here. Okay, based on your need, so you can choose any plan, like let's say it's a premium, and this is the enterprise. Okay, so based on the enterprise, it doesn't have any limitation under it. It's unlimited. You can insert, you can update, you can delete, you can upsert based on your need. Like here you can see like unlimited records per month or unlimited schedule job. You can schedule the job as well. And we have some data resources like Dropbox, SMTP, database connection. So we can create this database connection based on our need. Let's say this is the SMTP, a simple file transfer protocol. So based on your SFTP, so you can do that, this connection like data source, right? So these all like flexibility into the pricing. You can see these all, right? So this is all about like pricing. So here you can see like establish the connection between these all things. So let me do that one thing, guys. Just a second. Yeah. So here you can see like establish the connection between Salesforce and data importer, right? So once you click this register button, so you can easily understand with the help of this screen. Let's say this is Dallas TX or Frankfurt DE, something like that, or log into the production or log into the sandbox. These all option to log into the data importer. Okay, so data importer.io having this kind of login functionality, or based on your country code or based on your country flag. Okay, so here you can see like login into the production or login into the sandbox. So these all kind of login functionality is there. Okay, also you can register based on your environment. Okay, I will show you how to register and how to log in, all the things in our demo session, right? So here you can see we have like, remember, for 30 days. If you want to create this data importer.io account, and if you want to notify it's myself or it's yourself, so you can check this box, and after 30 days it's automatic notified me in particular email ID that you have already used 30 days trial version, so you can purchase new this full developer, we can say that data importer edition, something like that. So this kind of login functionality we have, right? So now let me click the next slide, and here you can see like how to create the first job. Okay, so job is nothing but it's a collection of different types of functions, right? So based on the functions we can perform our operations. So here you can see like if you want to create any job under the data importer, so first of all you have to enter like new job. Like here you can see the new job. Under this new job you have to enter like name, then instance, type, which type of operation you want to perform, like insert, upsert, update, delete, export. We can perform these five options here, right? And what is the source of data? So like where you want to store this data or where you want to fetch this data. So you can fetch this data based on this CSV file or any data source. Let's say anything is there regarding my data source, that is called any SFDX, GitHub repository. I will show you each and every term how to fetch this all data source from my that is called data importer environment, right? So you can fetch this source in particular things. So here you can see like advanced. Under the advanced you will be see like as a REST API. So under the REST API, you will see all the things like as a batch size or how many batch record or you want to fetch this one. I will show you this like how to create this first job and all the things. So try to understand these all things right now. Okay, so this is like name, instance, type, CSV file. This is a source, and advanced choose your data source and you can create your job, right? This is a simple way, right? Then here you can see like perform DML operation. So we can perform like 4 types of operation under init. Let's say insert data, upsert data, update data, and delete data. We will see these all operation one by one. Okay, here you can see like job type. So my job is like insert data, and this is the data source, means my account data CSV file. Here you can see, right? And this is a Salesforce account. So in this arrow you can easily understand here it's automatically. Let me show you this automatic, all the data source automatic comes under the Salesforce account using this insert data things, right? So based on this insert data things, you can easily insert the data from this data source to Salesforce, right? And you can perform the action like rollback or edit or delete based on your need. We have action button as well here. Same thing you can provide like upsert. Upsert means it is a collection of insert plus update. If any record is found under the Salesforce, so it's the automatic update that record and if you don't find any records based on your job, so it's an automatic insert new record. That is the meaning of upsert, right? Then we can update the data based on your source file, and this is a Salesforce account here again. And now you can see like delete data. So here you can see like this is the delete data also, or you can perform your delete operation as well here, right? So this is like perform DML operation here. Let me click here, and this is all about like perform DML operation. And then we, let me explain like this is the demo session. So here let me show you this demo again here. So let me open my Google, and here you can see this is my developer account, that is called free developer account. You know very well how to create that. So if you don't know, you can go like developer.salesforce.com. So you can create your account. I already created. So this is my some personal information about my company or my user details. You can see like company and all the things, right? Username, alias, email, and username, right? Okay, which license I am using, and which profile, and what is the role of my this user, like that. Okay, so this is the basic need. First of all, this is a prerequisite under init. Okay, so here this is our org, that is called our any org as you want, like as a sandbox or production based on your need. So you can do that here. So before that, let me create one data source file. So how to create the data source file? You have to search like Excel in your computer. If you have, well and good, otherwise leave it at easy. You can create online as well, like a Google Sheet or something like that. So let me open this Excel here. Okay, once you open this Excel, you have to create your data source first of all. So my data source is like, let's say I want to take and I want to make as a account as a target object. So how to do that? So account object having this kind of column, let's say name, rating, okay, then industry, okay, and phone. If you have this phone, so you can do that, this one, right? So here, let's say name is like Aman, something like that, Aman, right? Rating hot, industry agriculture, because I love agriculture, so that's why agriculture. Okay, and phone, if you want to write some phone, so you can write like that, something like that, 54321. Okay, so if you don't have any validation, so you can write this one. If you have any validation, so it's cause some error, that's why. Okay, so I don't have any validation rule, so about the phone, so I'm writing only 5-digit number, right? Try to understand what I'm saying, right? So here, let's say Rohit or David, maybe David, and it's a called. First of all, you have to prepare your data source. So right now I'm preparing my data source because it's a very most important. If you don't have any data source, so you cannot perform any operation under this data importer.io things, right? So here agriculture, then banking, and let's say any number as you want, let's say 1111, something like that. So manually you can do that like this, right? Then here David and Smith, and it's a warm, right? It's a warm here, and now you can see, let's say agriculture. So here okay, so no problem. So here let me add this phone number here. So how to add? So you can write your 0 or 1122, something like that, based on your need. So you can do that, right? So here let me edit this one here, and let's say 444, something like that, right? And these all record are enough for me. Let's say I have 3 records here, right? So let me work around on that. Okay, so let me save this file first of all. So how to save this file? So you have to go in particular directory in your system, Okay, so right now I am taking like save as. So I am writing or I am saving this code under the document or download based on your need. So you can provide this path. Okay, this is not big deal. So just click here under the download. Okay, so you have to write like which file you want to save and which extension and which file name. So I am saving, let's say this file name, let's say account data, and you have to change this extension, let's say CSV comma delimited, this option, right? Just change this one, and after that you have to save this one. Always remember, I just set this path like Rohit and download folders. Just save it, and once you save it, you can see like my file name is account data .csv, right? So my data is ready right now. So it's time to do how to create our first job. Okay, so how to create our first job? So you can create, let's say first of all we have to log in under the data importer.io website. So how to open that? So I already opened here. I will show you this one here. So I already log in. So if you don't know this how to log in all the things, so just you have to enter like data importer.io website. Okay, and here it's asking like login or like try it free today, like that. Okay, so here just click this login. Once you click this login, it's asking like which type of environment you have. Okay, so here I have this environment that is called login into the production, login into the sandbox, or you can take it like as a registration here. So how to do that? I will show you here. Let's say this one, that is register. So once you click this register, so it's asking like here, you can easily understand like 40 days trial version, right? No credit card required. It's a free and get started. So based on your need, you can register like first name, last name. I already sign up this this form and regarding this data importer.io. So you can do that, right? And also here I just you if you already created this account, just you have to do right login. Once you logged in, you can see this dashboard. So this is our dashboard. So under here you can see like record processing this month. So we have some limitation under in it because it's a free account. Okay, that's why you cannot increase this size like up to 20K, right? It's a free plan. You can see this is a free, right? And here you can see like key action, new job, invitation, something like that, or connect to the Salesforce. So I already connect with Salesforce. That's why you can see this is a green icon, right? So here you can see another option that is called second option, that is called create a job. So you can create new job here with the help of this one. Also we have like here, let's say run or schedule the job, right? So we can run or schedule our job as well. And also we have another option that is called like get more records. Okay, get more records. If you invite two others, your friend, so you will be get this 2000 here, 2000 here. That is called extra free records per object here. Okay, like per month we can say that. So if you invite your friend here and some link is there, so based on that link, so it's a increase your 2000 extra free records under in your org and this account. Okay, so this is the another features under in it. So how to do that? All the things I will show you here. Let's say here you can see this is the dashboard. Under the processes you can see like jobs. Once you click these jobs, you cannot see any jobs right now because this is a new account. That's why you cannot see any jobs regarding under this account. Okay, and we have formula. We can create our formula as well with the help of new formula. We have like history. So we can check the history of our account here regarding our jobs or something like that. Okay, so here you can see only history. So you can check the history based on your requirement. This is the filter. Like I want to show only 10 records. So this is the filter like 25. List a limit. You know very well in under the SQL, all the things like limits and all this search functionality, right? And here you can see the connection, how to make the connection. So you can make the connection with the help of external data. So there is a external data means if you want to connect your Oracle SQL server or anything as you have as a data source, so you can create this external data things right here. So here you can see like instances, right? Just click this instances. and you can see all the processes and all the names under your org, like Salesforce instances. So I already logged in based on this one, that is called production, and this is a username, right? And we have action that is called edit, reconnect, and disconnect, and log into sandbox. These all options we have. So based on your need, so you can choose that. So first of all, we have to create our job. So how to create the job? Let me show you. Just click this new job, and you have to write your job name here. So my job is like insert account, something like that. Insert account, because right now I'm working with this account object. That's why you can see like insert account, right? This is my instant name, and which action you want to perform, like insert. So just click this insert. So here you can select insert will be always create a new record. You know very well these all things, right? And my source is, once you click the source, and here you can see like CSV, and then Excel, database, SMTP, and Dropbox. So this is the sources. So based on your need, you can choose anyone. So right now I'm talking about, or I am going to show you related my Excel file that is called .csv file. So that's why I'm choosing this one, CSV file. Okay. So here, once you click this advanced, so under the advanced you can see like REST API, right? So under the REST API you can see like batch size. So you can increase the batch size based on your need. And date format, what date format you want to perform. So I already choose these all things, so don't worry about that, leave it as it is. And here choose data. So let me choose the data first of all. Okay, just click this choose data. So it's fetching all the records and all the things. You can see like target object is automatic selected here, right? And choose your file here. So my file is under the download. You can see like account data, right? Just click this download, this file, and you can choose your file here. So you can see like account data.csv file is an automatic choose. And we have some wizard like step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, and step 5, right? So under the step you can see like uploading things. Under second step you can see like mapping. Under third you can see like clean operation. Under fourth you can see like preview, and finally you can see like finished, right? So we have to perform these options here. So how to do that? Let me show you. Here you have to mapping first of all your field. Okay, so how to map your field? So you can map based on your need. So how to do that? Let me show you these all things. So here just click on this mapping field. So it's loading the source data from here. Okay, and here you can see like name, rating, industry, phone, because we have these all columns under my file. That's why you can see these all column here, and it's a automatic map. This is the not magic, it's a automatic perform this operations internally, like automatic mapped your field based on your CSV file and all the things. You can see like name, rating, industry, and phone. Now you can see like production account, right? And this is my data source. This is the production, and based on this one that is called data source, is the automatic comes under my Salesforce org. How to do that? Based on this mapping field, like name is automatic mapped into the account name, rating is automatic map into rating, industry, and phone. You can see these all things, right? So here you can see the field mapping. We already done this field mapping here. Now it's time to do our operation. So how to do that? So here just you have to click on the clean or back based on your need. So you can do that. So how to do that? So just click on the clean. So it's taking some few seconds to mapping, and if you want perform like as a duplicate row, if you have some duplicate data in your files, so you can replace your nulls and you can avoid the duplicate rows and simple take sample of the data. If you don't have any sample data, so you can insert based on your need, like take sample data from here, right? Just click this preview. If you don't want to preview, just click on the mapping, because mapping we already done, right? Just click this preview button here. After that, here you can see name, rating, industry, and phone. These all columns and these all value, right? And before that, let me show you this record is available under my account object or not. So here, just here, let me click on this all or recently viewed pinup. So you cannot see any record regarding that my data source file, right? here you can see, let's say here, here, this one that is called name, rating, industry, phone. We have like David, Aman, Smith. You cannot see this name here in my account object under my org because of it's not inserted right now. So once you click this one, sorry guys. Okay. Here, once you click this submit button, so it's the automatic fire your job that is called insert. Just click this one. And here you can see like run now. Do you want to run this job like insert account now, or you want to like schedule this job? So you can schedule as well. I already show you these things like how to schedule this one. So just click this run now. Once you click this run now, so here you can see like job completed, view success. So here you can see the history of the job. So once you click this view success, just click this view success, and after that you can see my records. And just please focus this one that is called SF__ID, means Salesforce ID, Salesforce record ID. You can see, and this is a 15 digit or 18 digit based on your need. Okay, so it's a 18 digit here. You can see. So it's a newly created record. So how to check in under my org? So let me show you this again. So just refresh this one, this list view. So no need worry about every time you have to refresh your page. Just here you can see like refresh button. Just click this one. Now you can see my 3 records, that is Aman, David, and Smith. And this is the phone number, right? If you want to take like more column, so you can take it here. Let's say here, you can change this all, let's say all account here. And you can take it from here like Aman type, and also you can change the all column based on your selection, like select field to display. So you can change the display field. Let's say phone number or industry. Let's say industry I want to take, and rating. Okay, and just click on the save button. So after that, you can see each and every data because Aman is already inserted. Now you can see like agriculture and hot, and you can comparison your data, your Excel file like Aman, hot, agriculture, everything, right? So it's the automatic insert. Now suppose that sometime this will be happen, or maybe in most of the cases this case happen, right? This is unwanted data, right? This is unwanted data. So how to avoid this unwanted data, like it's automatic or by accidentally inserted into my org? So how to avoid that? So you can avoid with the help of some jobs. So here you can see like download and rollback. Download means this success record is the automatic download in .csv file. Okay, based on your this one. So let me download first of all, and let's see what's happened. So here you can see one file is automatic download here. Just click this one, and after that you can see like name, rating, industry, phone, and SFID. SFID means record ID, Salesforce record ID, right? So just here, so you have to do another thing. Let's say rollback. So for now, before that, let me show you this record is available or not. Just click this one and click on this recently viewed, and now you can see my 3 record. That is, this is latest records here, these 3, right? So how to roll back this record? Okay, so you can roll back this record based on your need. That is called rollback here. So just click this rollback. Okay, so it's asking like, are you sure you want to roll back this job, like insert something like that? So you can click this like rollback here. So once you click this rollback, some process is going on. Here you can see like in progress. So after some time, so here you can see like job completed. So once you refresh this org or this page or this list view, just here, you cannot see my record here. Why? Because it's an automatic rollback based on our need, right? So this is the rollback. So we can roll back our record as well. Okay. So for now, let me insert again because I need this insert, update, delete data. That's why you can see these all things, right? So how to do that? Again, you have to do here like jobs. Sorry. So here, like you can see like insert. So you can perform your like action that is called edit job, clone job. This is a new features underneath it. Before that, you cannot see like clone job. Now you can see this is a clone job, or you can delete your job. Let me delete this job for now. Yes, I want to delete this one. And after that, you can see like new job. Just click this new job and name. It can be anything like insert, account data, something like that. And you can choose like insert and choose your file and take your file from here because it's a source things. So it's already downloaded here and this is my data source. Just choose this file and click on the mapping. And after that, you can see like name, rating, industry, and phone. It's automatic mapped here, right? And click on the clean button. And after that, click on the preview. And it's showing all the data from here. Just click on the submit. And click on the run now. And now process is in progress, you can see. So after some time, it's automatic inserted all the record. You can see like 3 records success. Here you can see 3 records and 3 success, 0 error. You can easily find out under the history tab, right? So how to do that more functionality? So here, just let me show you here. Let me refresh this one. So here you can see all the data, like let's say this David, Aman, and Smith. Here you can see, right? It's inserted right now. So it's time to do like update. So how to perform the update operation, right? This is the insert. So first of all, you have to download your that file that is called this file that is called view success. So just click this view success, and now you can see like download. Just click this download. Under this download here, let me open this file again here. Okay, once you open this file, so you can see like Salesforce ID and something like that. So this is a very most important things under this file because I need some update operation. So that's why I'm taking this Salesforce ID. So how to perform the update operation? So first of all, let me insert one column here that is called ID, right? So under this ID column, I want to paste it, this ID from here to here. Okay, and just delete this column, right? And just select all and formatted it based on your need. So you can do that, right? So here, let me show you my file name is, you can see like last 41 and 55 and these all things, right? So just save this data because I need to perform this data, or you can use existing file as well. Okay, like I already created like insert account, something like that. So just let me copy this all the things from here to here. Okay, just copy this one and let me open my Excel file like account data. Here you can see, right? And just paste it out here. You can see. Okay, now select all, formatted and all the things, right? Just save it. And now you can see my file name is account data.csv, right? So how to perform like update operation? So you can perform your update operation. Let's say I want to change, like, let's say this phone number, like 5555 every time, 5555, something like that. And this 555 every time, you can see. So this is the update operation. So how to perform that? Just you have to prepare your data source. First of all, just save it. And now come to my data importer sides here, this one, and click on this job. And now click on this new job because it's time to do like update account data, something like that, based on your need. So you can do that. So here you can see like update. So just you have to select this update and what is the data source. So you can choose your data source from here. So it's fetching the like CSV and target. You can see like target object and all the things. So just click this choose file here. And my file name is account data. You can see here, just select this one and click on the mapping. Okay, once you click this mapping, so again here you can see ID to ID is automatic matched, right? And here this is another ID. So don't worry about that, this ID, because it's automatic created by this data importer, and this is the created by Salesforce, and this importer is matching to ID to ID. Don't please forget this ID right now. And here you can see it's the automatic match like name, rating, industry, and phone, each and every time, right? So it's time to do our operation. So how to perform the our operation? Just click this that is called clean. Okay, just clean. And after that, if you have some null values or any duplicate value, so you can remove based on your need, and you can check like this, and also you can see this null value. Okay, so just click this preview, and here you can see this is the mapping things, right? Under mapping you can see all the information. Let's say this is a phone number, is automatic change here. So how to do that? So just click on the submit here and click on the run now, and after some time you can see one job is going on. Okay, so once you hit this job, like let's say this job completed, and you have to check your job. Let's say here you can see like record 3 records and 3 success and 0 error. So how to check this is updated or not? So please open your org, and again before that you can see like 41122 something like that under the phone. Once you refresh this one, now you can see it's a automatic change your phone number and same record like 5555 something like that, right? So this is the update operation. Now let me show you the another operation here. Let's say click on the job and click on the new job, and after that you have to give like delete or upsert. Let me show you this upsert, right? After that we will see this delete, and after that this all jobs is done right now. Okay, let's say this is upsert account data, something like that. Okay, so you can do this name based on your need here. Let's say upsert, right? So just click this upsert. So upsert means it's the collection of 2 things like insert and update. Okay, so based on your need, so you can select. So first of all, let me show you the file account data, this one. So here you can see this is the 3 existing record, right? Now I want to give like Susan name here, or maybe Sasi based on your record. So you can insert like Sasi here, something like that. Okay, so Sasi, don't mind if any mistake is there in your name. Okay, so here
You are right, correct.
okay, no problem. So here you can see like hot and cold based on your need, so you can enter this value, right? So banking and agriculture, and let's say this is a phone number. Let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, right? These are random number, and let's say again like 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 something like that, right? So this is a random number, and I added these 2 records under this file. Now you can see here these 3 records is already exist under the Salesforce, right? And these 2 record is doesn't contain under the Salesforce, or you can see only 3 records, right? So how to perform this upsert operation? So upsert means it's a collection of insert plus update, right? So how to perform this operation? So you can perform this operation. Let's say if any record is matched in this data, please update that data, and if any record is not matched into the Salesforce, so it's the automatic insert the data. That is the meaning of upsert. Okay, and this file. So this is a newly record, and it doesn't contain any record ID. You can see under the ID field, you cannot see any record ID here. Is it the blank because it's a new, and this record doesn't have any record ID under the Salesforce. That's why, right? So let me save this one, and now let me perform this upsert and choose this one. So once you do these things, so first of all you have to choose your file. So here you can select account data. Again you have to click this mapping. Right, so once you see these all things, so it's automatic. Here you can select it's automatic mapped, okay, based on your need. If you have some ID, so you can map the ID based on your requirement. If you don't have anything, so you can leave it as it is, right? So here you can see all the things, right? So I just map this ID to ID, account ID, and click on this mapping or maybe clean processing. And after that you can see like this is a cleaning processing here. So how to do that? Here just click on the preview. Same thing you can see here, right? So here just click on the submit and run now. So here you can see one job is going on. After that after some time you can see it says success or failed. Now you can see my 5 records, means 3 is already exist. Now 2 is already in this file. I already added. So total is 5 records, right? So how to check under the Salesforce? So just click here, like view result or something like that. Now you can see Sushant, and it's having this new record ID. Here you can see this all. This is a new record ID here. Also you can see with the help of this button, let's say view in Salesforce. Okay, once you click this one, it's an automatic redirect in particular account record. Okay, but before that, let me show you in my org. Here you cannot see any Sushant or like Sasi record here, right? Let me refresh this list view, and after that you can see any Sasi and Sushant. You can see 2 records is automatic having here. And also if you want to update at the time of insertion, so you can do that, because upsert is the meaning of this, like insert and update, right? So you can do that, these all things. So this is all about like upsert. Now the last operation is here in this session, that is called delete. So how to delete that? So first of all, here in my this area, first of all, let me download these things, right? Let me download, and here let me open this one, this file. Once you open this file, now you can see here, let's say, let me here. Now you can see this is a Salesforce ID, right? So I already added this ID here in my particular file. Now let me add this to ID from here to here, or let here, yeah, this one, and let me copy this data from here to here, this one, and paste it into my particular file. I already created like account data, right? So how to do that? Again, you have to go this file, again you have to select this all and paste it here. Now you can see my ID, record ID, name, rating, industry, and phone number, right? So just select these all things and format it based on your need. Just save it, and after that you have to do what? Like delete operation. So how to do that? So let me show you this delete operation here. Just here, just click this job. So now you can see our 3 job is already done, like insert, update, upsert. Now it's time to do like how to perform delete operation. So just you have to click new, and it say like delete account data, something like that, right? And here you can select delete options. So you have to choose delete, and again you have to choose your data, like data source, right? And choose your file. So my file is account data. Just select this one and click on this mapping button. After that, you can see all the mapping based on your need and based on your file. Now it's automatic map like ID to ID. No need worry about like all the records like name, rating, industry, and phone number, because in delete operation we have to need only record ID. So based on the record ID we can perform this delete operation, right? No need worry about all the operations, like all the fields like name, rating, and industry, like that. So just click this clean here, and after that you have to click on this preview, and now you can select ID. These are all IDs here, right? Just click on the submit and click on the run now, and here you can see one process is going on, right? So after that you can see, yeah, so here you can see like record 5 and success 5, right? So how to check under the Salesforce this record is exist or not? Again, you have to do what? Just refresh this one, this list view, and no, you cannot see any like 5 records here because it's automatic deleted. And how to cross verify this record is deleted or not? So under the app launcher, just select like recycle bin. You know very well what is this recycle bin. Just click this recycle bin here, and now you can see my record like Aman, Susan, Sasi, David, Aman, Smith, something like that, because I already have something some record earlier under the recycle bin. So you can just focus only today dates. Here you can see, right? So you can easily understand based on your need, like we can already done these things. Okay, so this is all about like dataimporter.io under the Salesforce. This is a new tool, and this is a very fast and sufficient and secure. Okay, comparison to the traditional tools like import wizard and data loader, right? So that's it from my side, and Sasi, and you can take this lead and you can take over. Okay, so thank you.
Thank you very much, Rohit, for the such a informative session. And any doubts? Anyone have any doubts? You can post it in the chat. Previously, there are some doubts, Rohit. Can we set the order of the scheduled job means which job has to run first?
I was on mute, sorry.
Okay,
So
okay.
we can, okay, no problem. So we can schedule this job based on your cron extension or cron expression. So if you set like, I want to perform this insert operation before delete or delete operation before insert, so you can perform based on your cron job expression, like something question mark, colon, you know very well under the apex, these all things. So we can schedule, no worry.
And another one is, can we upsert records using external ID field?
External ID field, yeah, we can do that, because also one option is there, na, like under the data importer, like external data. So first of all, you have to connect your external data under the data importer.io. Otherwise, you will not will get these all things like ID and something like that.
Awesome, awesome. And Sushant sir, anything is there to speak? Or shall we start with the?
Yes, Ashi, and thanks to Rohit for this great introduction of this dataimporter.io tool. And I think participants know about this tool very well now. So yeah, Sashi, I think we are good now, and we can go ahead with our Kahoot quiz.
Okay, okay. Let me share my screen.
Mm-hmm. And guys, if you have any queries regarding any session given by Rohit, you can directly reach out to Rohit on Twitter and LinkedIn. He is really active on both the sites, so you can reach out to Rohit anytime. Not in the odd times, but in working hours, you can reach out to Rohit, and he will definitely reply.
And also, let me share my social media handles. Also, please support me on the Salesforce, like YouTube channel, website, and blogs. So it's good for me and as well you. So let me share these all links in the chat window. Okay.
Yeah, so Rohit
Sure, sir.
has his official social media channels as well as the YouTube channel known as Salesforcehunt. So guys, do subscribe his channel and give him support.
Yep. I already shared some links. So please, guys, do subscribe, because I need only this help. No worry about all the things, right?
Yeah. Awesome. And 27 participants are there, and we will wait for a minute. And guys, please do join with your original names.
Yes, we have recording this session. I think, Sasi, I am right or wrong?
Yeah. We are recording the session. The session will be uploaded in 2 to 3 days later.
Over the YouTube, right?
Yeah, in the YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Yes, guys, I'm just posting all the social media handles of New Delhi channel. So New Delhi also have their own official YouTube channel where we will upload all our Impact Salesforce session initiatives, and also we have our official email ID. Official email website. So I will share the link of over that, and also you can check out all the YouTube videos on our official channel as well, on website. I'm sharing the links with you as well, guys, within a minute.
And the winner of the certification voucher will get after 2 to 3 weeks, as we need to submit the details for the Trailblazer community. So please be patient. And shall I start the quiz, sir? I think 34 are there.
Yes, we can start.
Okay, then I'm locking that.
Wait, someone says no. Let's wait for 30 seconds more and then we will start.
Okay, sure. 2 minutes? No. What? Okay. I think he don't join. And now I am locking the quiz. Who is the CMA?
So Sasi, in this session, we have like Susan.
No. Sushant won't be there here.
Okay.
Only the audience, and even I will be not there.
No, just I'm asking about this session. So in this session, we already have some like Sushant presents.
Yeah, Sushant is a group leader, no? So he will be there.
Okay.
I am there, Rohit. I am there.
Okay, great. Thank you.
And first is H1. What is the limit for free trial version? Yeah. Certified answers. Okay, 28 are right. Yashwant, Shashank, Nitish. Saror. How to get free month records per under the data input? Twenty-one are right. Okay, Ashwant, Monish, Srinivas, Raju. Which API by default used in data importer? 29 answers. And 27 are right. So it is Srinivas. Congratulations. Monish. And first is Ashwant. Ashwant, congratulations, Ashwant. Please share your email ID and full name. And that's it from our side, Sushant.
So thank you, Sasi and Sushant and all the audience. So we will meet soon in next Saturday. So till then, bye bye.
Sorry,
Take care.
Yeah, we will next week. Thanks everyone.
Thank you.
Have a great day. Stay safe, stay healthy. And Sashi, do we have the details